Occasionally a truly exceptional object comes by. One of the rarest, most elusive and sought after Delftware objects. As many of you know, black Delftware was incredibly difficult to make. The recipe for the black glaze was a closely guarded secret by factory owners. Only 2 factories knew to use it effectively, and less than 70 pieces are known nowadays. One of those factories is the Metaale Pot from 1691 through 1721 under the ownership of Lambertus van Eenhoorn. Van Eenhoorn applied a black glaze to this teapot and the fine decoration was painted on top of that. The base is marked with the LVE initials of Van Eenhoorn. We can date this teapot to circa 1700. In the past we've produced videos explaining more about why teapots are so small. If you're watching on YouTube, you can click the link here to see that video. By the way, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and follow if you'd like to know more about Delftware. We currently have more than 100 videos online. Black Delftware objects are among the rarest wares that were produced in the Dutch Delft factories during the late 17th and early 18th centuries, when the taste for the exotic thrived. With its striking and elegant chinoiserie decoration, it was probably designed for display only. This teapot was once owned by Amsterdam-based art dealer Aaron Vecht. According to lore, in the final days of World War II, Amsterdam trader and art collector Margaretha Teckmann did something special for Vecht. Aaron, who survived the war, thanked Foute by gifting him this teapot, apparently referring to it as a handful of gold. Foute initially accepted the gift, but after Foute's passing in 1955, Vecht learned that in his will Foute had ordered for the teapot to be returned to Vecht or his descendants. In 1999 we acquired the Vecht collection, including this teapot, and sold it to a Dutch collector who held on to it until now, 2023. This pot was part of the Sinois exhibition Art Dealer and Collector at the Amsterdam Historical Museum, and it's also described in the accompanying publication from 1970. More information, by the way, is available on our website aronson.com. Thank you very much.